Right, we have guests, but I might have time to just do this little bit. So that is going to fit in there. That is going to fit on there. Okay, that bit has got to go on there. And that is nice and tight, so I won't glue it just now. That's got to go on there. That's got to go on there, and that's got to go on there. But just for test purposes, you've got the general idea. At least we would have if the camera was at the right angle. Let's change the camera angle. Right. Yeah, I will have to glue that on. But you can see the general principle. Right, hopefully being super glue, that'll dry a bit quicker, and then we can give it a try in the sunlight. So back in a minute. Right, in the sunlight in the garden. And the sunlight's gone away. Oh well. I expect there'll be an optimum speed to get it to all synchronise together. Oh dear, me bits come off. That super glue just doesn't seem to be drying very quickly. Yeah. Okay, well we saw how it worked. The super glue is just playing up for me nowadays. I think they've changed the formula. Just try and arrange that for the thumbnail. Never mind. That'll do. Right, next thing we're going to do is see if we can put the electric motor underneath it. So that'll be another video. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.